Hey up, folks. Morning. It's day before New Year's Eve, and just got some bit of work to do on boat here. So we're on new boat, and got a couple of pigeon hatches to put in. Sorry, pigeon boxes to put in, which I've made. We'll just have a look. We're gonna weld in. Get one put in anyway this morning. We'll have a look. So I've got one that'll be going in here from the bathroom, because you get a lot of moisture, condensation. So we'll have a pigeon box in, so we can open it up, and up here in the kitchen. So we've already cut that hole out internally. So all we've got to do now is cut that through on the top with the angle grinder and slitting disc. We'll drop the box in, and I'll just weld it up on the top there. Job done. Right, so we'll just get everything together and we'll get on with it.
Right, just going back in now. Dave's inside and he's drilling the four corners of that cut out just to roughly mark where you need to put the unit on top.
Yeah, we'll drill it up there.
I'll get another battery.
Right, so here we have one of the pigeon boxes. This is the one we're doing today. So it's all there in bits. So we shall be dropping it through the cutout. It goes down so far, then we just weld around it. So I've just got the 9-inch angle grinder there with a slitty disc in, and we'll take that up, mark round it, and then simply cut it out. Right, we'll be using our new little 170 amp Artec, plug straight into the 16 amp socket, or 13 amp rather. Can go 16 amp, but it'll be fine on 13.
It's good, isn't it?
Right, little camera that. That's it then. It needs to mark round it.
Yeah, well, it's inside line, so it should slide in once we've done. So just check that again, look. So 575. 577. I think that might be frame.
It could go that way.
Yeah, you're not going to notice a
No.
miller, so are you? If you want to.
Yes.
You happy with that?
Just so that, yeah, as long as it's square. Right, we're all marked up. So Dave's going back down, and he's standing in the kitchen. We've put a fire blanket down and everything on the floor, just in case any hot bits should drip through, but they're not likely to. And he's got a fire extinguisher as well, just in case. But I don't think there's any danger at all. I've done it a few times.
I've got lines now on this side,
Yeah.
but this side's still flush. I'll do a tack one bit and then I'll lick it.
Right, good luck here. 25. No, it's 5 million on that side. So yeah.
And you're still tacking that one out now.
Yeah. See, thinking health and safety, protecting the eyes there, strategically place that angle grinder between your eyes and the arc so we don't get your welding flash. That's it. Put the lid on, put a couple of screws in the hinges, just tape those holes up. All work. Next thing is to go and have a look inside. Right, that's that up there. And down here, I've had to tidy up. And there we have it. So, you're cooking in here and doors are shut and what have you, remove the knot. Open that up, let the condensation out and the steam and what have you. That's the idea of it all. So that now wants lining with the timber. The sides and the top will all be lined. The flaps won't, the lids won't, they'll not be lined. But, I just cover them up, keep the atmosphere out, because in winter it's not very good. So, there's another progression in this boat. Now we've got to get all these on down here. But the board didn't come before Christmas, so that'll be New Year now, which will only be 2 days. So that's it for this year, 2025, New Year's Eve tomorrow. And got what I've got to do on this boat, and I think we'll have a day off tomorrow. So anyway, all the best to you all. Happy New Year to everybody. Thanks everybody for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Don't cost out if you want to subscribe, helps us along. Cheers. Ta-ra.